Hey guys, welcome to Lucas's Tutorials and More. Today we'll be learning how to make a fast and easy bananas foster and takes only about 20 minutes to make. So, before we get started, make sure you subscribe and like, and let's get to it. What you're going to need is 1/4 of a cup of butter, 2/3 cup of brown sugar. I have coconut sugar instead of brown sugar. 3½ tablespoons of spiced rum. 1/2 teaspoon of Vietnamese cinnamon, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1½ tablespoons of banana liquor, 3 bananas, we'll slice them later, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and lastly, vanilla ice cream. You're welcome to add as much as you like. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put it all in small bowls. So this is the rum, vanilla, and banana liquor. This is the coconut sugar and cinnamon, and this is the heavy whipping cream. What you do first is turn on your burner to moderate flame and then place the butter in. Let that move around and make sure it melts all before. Use a wooden thing to move it around. This might take a little while for it to burn out. Okay, as soon as the butter's all melted, we're going to add the sugar. Just sprinkle it down in pretty large bits until you get it all. Start moving it around until it turns into a liquid, and then add your heavy whipping cream right after you're all poured in. It'll sizzle just a little bit. Not a problem. And then when it's all melted out, make sure you get all the sides. When all the sugar's in, you're gonna start adding your bananas.
Just pour them in there.
Just pour them all in at the same time. And then make sure you get all the brown sugar around them so they get nice and seasoned around. You can use the wooden thing like a spatula to move them all around. Make sure they get all the brown sugar. And then add the rum, and then you can light it on fire. It'll be a nice, cool surprise. Woo. Do it again. Yeah. Probably hard to see from your angle, but it's fiery. Don't worry, if you're a kid, don't worry, you can still eat this. The alcohol will burn out. Woo! So when you're done and you got it, put it into a bowl and then add your ice cream on top. Sorry. Add your ice cream on top. Then, boom, there you go. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If this recipe worked for you, make sure you tell me and give it a nice thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.